Dino and Friends, The Lost Egg. In the heart of the great Dino forest, Tara the Triceratops, Rex the T-Rex, and Dino the Diplodocus were playing hide-and-seek among the giant ferns. Suddenly, Dino spotted something unusual under a bush. "Hey, look at this!" he called. It was a giant speckled egg. Tara gasped. "It must belong to someone! Maybe a pteranodon or a hadrosaur." Rex's eyes gleamed. "Or maybe it's magical. What if it hatches into a rare dinosaur?" The three friends gathered around the egg, wondering what to do. Tara said softly, "We should take care of it until we find its family." But Rex had another idea. "What if we just keep it a secret? No one has to know we found it." Dino frowned. "But what if the parents are looking for it? I'd be so sad if I lost my family." Rex crossed his arms. "It'll be fine. Besides, I want to see it hatch." They carried the egg carefully to their favourite shady spot by the stream. Tara and Dino tried to keep it safe, but Rex wouldn't stop poking it and bragging, "It's ours now." That evening, while Rex was guarding the egg, a shadow swept over the forest. A huge pteranodon landed nearby, calling out, "My egg! Where is my egg?" Tara whispered, "Oh no, it belongs to her." Dino nodded. "We need to give it back right away." But Rex looked nervous. The pteranodon flapped her wings, looking worried. "I've searched all day! Please, have you seen it?" Rex opened his mouth to speak, but the words stuck. Tara stepped forward. "Yes, we found your egg by the bushes. We wanted to keep it safe." Dino gently rolled the egg forward. "Here it is. We didn't mean any harm." The pteranodon's eyes softened. "Thank you. I was so frightened. Eggs are precious, and it means a lot that you returned it." Rex shuffled his feet. I wanted to keep it. I wasn't honest. I'm sorry." The pteranodon looked at him kindly. "It's hard to admit the truth, but honesty matters. I forgive you." The friends watched as the pteranodon carefully carried her egg back to its nest. She called, "You are brave and kind, friends. Thank you." Rex sighed in relief. "I feel better telling the truth, even though it was scary." Tara smiled. "That's because honesty makes hearts lighter." Dino added, "And now we can be proud of what we did." From that day on, Rex promised to be honest even when it was hard. And so, Tara, Rex, and Dino continued their adventures in the forest, always remembering the lesson of the lost egg. Telling the truth is always the right choice. Together, the three dinosaur friends lived happily, exploring, sharing, and learning in their wonderful world. The end. Thanks for watching. We had a roaring good time. Don't forget to subscribe.